Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we are at the Hampton Inn Baton Rouge, I-10 and College Drive, and we're going to give you a tour of our room in the hotel, and we're going to give you a review at the end and a rating. Here in the lobby they have a business center with a couple of computers and a printer, and that's the area where breakfast is served, and in here is an additional dining room where you can sit down and have breakfast in the morning. And they do have free continental breakfast, as with all Hampton Inns. This hotel does have a nice pool area. This little lounging area. Kind of a strangely shaped pool. It's like the deep end is 4'10" and the shallow end is 3'3". Right inside the door by the pool we have a small vending area. And a small fitness center. This is the first fitness center I've ever seen that doesn't have giant mirrors lining walls. So this is perhaps the slowest elevator I've ever been on. That is slow. Awesome sauce. The whole elevator is lit by 9 LED lights. There's 3 in each of these little fixtures. Get off the elevator, there's a little area here. And the ice and vending, which is really just an ice machine and garbage can. Our room is 821. So this is our king bed study. We're on the 8th floor, room 821. And let's take a look at our safety features first. We have the door latch, mechanical deadbolt, and a peephole. This is the hotel map. This is a tall building without much, just rooms in a straight line. And we are all the way at the end up here. Maximum room rate is, I can't see because it's kind of dark right here. It's $5.99. Checkout time is 11 a.m. And they warn you not to hang coat hangers from the sprinkler. Fire alarm right over the door. So as we move into the room, we have a full-length mirror here. We have a relatively small television set, but fine for the size of the room. Down here we have a refrigerator, which is stocked with tea and Gatorade. And we have a microwave. Microwave is clean. And there's no time to set on it, so this is a drawer here. Nice big drawer. And we have the ice bucket and a couple of cups. And they gave us the HBO guide. Over here in this corner we have a sofa, and this does fold out to a couch, to a bed. We have a thermostat on the wall that controls the PTAC unit over here in the window. And then I guess to make up for the lack of drawer space by the television, we have these little bureaus here Now on the table next to the bed, we have this little thing here with 3 electric outlets and 2 USB ports. We have a telephone. Same thing on this side of the bed, but we have an alarm clock. 3 more drawers. And no electric outlets over here. Now we've seen this before in Biloxi, Mississippi, but this whole wall unit here is kind of built in. It's like a little closet and a desk. And there's a couple of electric outlets on the desk. There's 2 switches here. One of them doesn't seem to do anything. A nice little chair here, and this desk actually rolls out. Give you a little more space. And then in the closet, which doesn't open all the way, we have extra bedding, regular coat hangers, an ironing board, luggage rack, and an iron. And I guess this is for hanging more stuff here. Now we are right on I-10, and this window covering here, pull this cord to bring it up. Takes a lot of pulls. And we see another hotel outside, which is a Crown Plaza. The old Baton Rouge Hilton, which is now a Marriott, is across the expressway. Anyway, let's take a look at the bathroom. So now we're going to check out the bathroom. And it's a rather small bathroom, and it's got this little angled doorway here. But once inside, there's this 3-angle mirror. And of course there's a coffee maker in the bathroom, which everybody that watches these videos knows I don't really like that. We have Neutrogena bath gel, body lotion, shampoo and conditioner, bath soap, and hand soap, which I actually used already. They provide a nightlight. Down here we have toilet paper, Kleenex, and a hairdryer. This is a rather old toilet here. It has a really big tank on it, kind of surprising to see. Very slow flush too. Very slow flush. So that's 1970s technology there. We have the curved shower curtain rod. Splish splash. Garbage can. And we have an original shower massage. Let's see how that works. Yeah, it looks like that works pretty good. Fully functioning. And of course up here we have our bath towels, washcloths. I guess those are hand towels, more hand towels, another washcloth. We've actually used that one, that's why it's like that. So I figured out what the mystery switch is here at the desk. Up above the desk, in this built-in wall unit, there's some ambient lighting, which isn't even obvious when all the lights are on, but it kind of just gives a glow to the room. So that's what the mystery switch is. So we're going to rate this room based on a few criteria, and sleep comfort is one of them. The linens on the bed are very nice. They seem to be new. They're not threadbare or anything like that. They're clean. And the main problem we had here was this mattress has springs, and you can actually feel the springs creaking under the surface. It was difficult to get to sleep. Once we were asleep, we stayed asleep, and it was fine, but the bed was not as we expected. Additionally, this hotel is right on I-10, and I-10 is very loud, and there's not very much soundproofing in the window. All night long, we could hear people racing up and down the interstate with vehicles with no mufflers and trucks with compression brakes, motorcycles winding up through the gears as loud as they can. And we're far to the back of the hotel, so it was kind of loud. Now, one good thing is the air conditioner is a little on the loud side, but it's like white noise. It completely covers up the sound of the interstate. So, and it can be turned on without the compressor on or without the heater on. You can just run the fan and generate that white noise without changing the temperature of the room. You set it however you want, and you don't hear the interstate. So that was a big bonus. Overall, though, because of the issues with going to sleep, I can only give this room 2 stars for sleep comfort. As far as cleanliness, everything in the room was very clean. I did notice this one thing here that housekeeping missed. But for the most part, everything is pretty clean. It's very dusty behind. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very dusty behind the entertainment center here. But all the parts of the room that are accessible are clean. We don't see any mold or mildew or anything disgusting like that. Even the paint and sheetrock work is pretty good. This is an older property, so you can see some cracks around the edges, but no sloppy patchwork or anything like that. Also, I noticed that when I got in the shower after walking around the room barefoot, I did not leave any kind of muddy footprints in the tub. A little bit of dust there. So yeah, the room is kind of dusty, but nothing disgusting. So I give this a 4 out of 5 as far as cleanliness. And I almost forgot, I have to deduct 1 more point for cleanliness just because the coffee maker is in the bathroom. I don't want to make coffee with a coffee maker that is in a bathroom. Sorry. Now, of course, you can get coffee down in the lobby, but they really need to find some other place to put the coffee maker. This is unacceptable. So for the overall room rating, it's kind of a small room, but everything works. There's space for everything. It's not like it's cramped or anything like that. There's room to walk around. We have a refrigerator and a microwave. We have a closet, ironing board, a bed, and a bathroom. The lighting is kind of poor in here. They could do better with the lighting, but overall, I give this room a 4. So add them all up, and this hotel gets 9 out of 15 stars, which averages out to about 3. This review is just on the room. The service here was excellent. We have no complaints at all, and we do recommend this hotel. Just beware there are a few issues you might run into, but nothing bad. Also, if you get bored at night and can't find anything to watch on TV, you can open up your window shade and watch the billboard out the window. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.